What should you do if you accidentally lost a video that was very important to you, and you need to get it back right away? No matter why your iPhone videos disappeared, you can follow the guide in this video. Part 2. How to fix the videos disappeared from iPhone issue 8 ways. Way 1. Restart iPhone. Way 2. Check the recently deleted folder. Way 3. Restore missing videos on iPhone from iTunes or iCloud backup. Way 4. Recover disappeared videos from iPhone without data overwritten. Mobican Doctor for iOS is a feature-rich iOS data recovery solution designed to recover deleted files from iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. Following is the step-by-step process to recover lost videos on iPhone using Mobican Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Choose Recover from iTunes Backup File. Step 2. Scan the missing videos. Step 3. Recover the videos disappeared from iPhone. Way 5. Verify if you hide the videos. Way 6. Make sure that iCloud Photos is enabled. Way 7. Sign in with the same Apple ID. Way 8. Confirm that the Videos app is moved to a new folder. Way 9. Search for the video app.